Want this? Get ready with your clips and follow me. Take null layer. Bind both to null layer. Now follow me. Copy this and paste to other layer. Follow me. Now add shake. Now come to second null layer and do this. Choose rotation. Start the number of rotation where you end in last null. Here the number is -7, so start the next clip with -8. Now duplicate first null and paste to third one. Bind this layer with null. Now duplicate second null and paste to fourth one. And paste this effect to every clips. Do this step to every clip one by one. And here your fast rotation zoom completed. Hope you liked the video. Join Telegram channel XML will drop there. Comment next tutorial idea. See you in the next one.
The pain I felt is